Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we have another very special prize for you guys. We know you like your GT750s, so we've got one here for you that you can win for £2.99. This is a 1976 Suzuki GT750A, and this one will be drawn on the 18th of January at 10 PM, which is a Sunday. So I'll tell you a bit about this bike. This has been fully restored, down to the crank, gearbox rebuilt, full engine rebuild, top end, new pistons, fully stripped. Still retains its original exhaust system, which is still in very nice condition. So a lot of people leave the original exhaust on there if they are nice, because obviously they're original, you can't get them again. All new paint, really top quality example. What we'll do now, how we get starting it. So this actually hasn't been started for a week or so. I'd like to prove to you guys that they do start stone cold. So what we'll do, we'll turn our ignition on, and that is good. We've got a green light. We've got our tap here, which is a vacuum tap. So you've got prime, on and reserve. We'll put it on prime, and there's a choke down here that we'll put on, which is down. And what I'll do, I'll have a go at starting it on the electric start, because it's a bit dirty up here. I don't want to kick it and get dirt all over this beautiful machine. So let's have a go. Sounds like it's a bit slow at turning over, so I might have to kick it. I'll give it one more go. Oh, there we are. Pretty undramatic. Really smooth engine, very quiet. We do a lot of these with expansion chambers on, so it's quite unusual to do on original pipes. It sounds really smooth and quiet. Not very leery at all, very civilised. So we'll need a bit of warming up. It's a 2-stroke, so it's very smoky, and it's a cold day, which makes it even more smoky. Have a listen to how quiet the engine is. Very nice. So I think it's done just over 1,000 miles since the full rebuild as well, so it's nicely running. They're ready to ride and enjoy or show. But yeah, top example, really nice condition, ready to ride, and it could be yours for £2.99. So if you fancy a ticket, go to the website, it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. And if you do enter, thank you for your support as always, and good luck. Very good.